Alright, y'all. It's your Moto Jockey. Thinking about to have to get a run in. Well, give me a little run in. If y'all see some popos or anything, flash a light at me or something when you see me coming.
Like, I'll walk out, I'll wave my hand or some shit.
Cool. I'm going to be coming from this way. I'm going to start down there.
Yeah.
Cool. That was whew. Nice. Oh shit. I see lights coming. Whew. That was good shit. Make sure this ain't 5-0 coming. No policia. That nice little CBR there. Man, what's really tight is this Ducati right here. I gotta show y'all this shit. Right here, man. Look at this. This is a $12.99 Ducati Pinnacle. Probably like 60th anniversary deal. So you can tell that motherfucker straight came from Italy, I believe. That's what produces the Ducati. If I'm wrong, I'm an idiot, but I'm pretty sure. Look at that sumbitch, man. Sumbitch is tight, baby. Look at that shit. Look at that helmet. That helmet's tough. That bad boy. Look at that, how the springs on the side. Isn't that crazy? Look at that clutch setup. This bike's tough, man. It's one of my favorite bikes right here, if not my favorite. Always wanted a Ducati. It's always been my favorite bike. Motherfucker's badass, man. Beautiful bike. There he goes. Getting it. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Where's he at? Oh my God! There's his bike. Where is he? Where's he at? Where's he at? Where is he? Where's he at? Holla, brother, where are you? Ricky! Ricky! He's over here.
Where is he?
He's over there. Oh my gosh. Hope he's okay, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this bike is gone. Oh my gosh. Did y'all call the ambulance? Don't move, brother, don't move. Just relax. Just relax, man. You're alright.
Don't roll him over. Yeah, that's why I was like, I didn't want to touch him.
He's alright, just relax.
Anybody know what road this is? Portland, South.
We're on South Portland.
Somebody go ahead and call. He's calling him right now. Calling right now.
Oh my gosh.
What are you telling the cops when they get here?
Oh, you guys over on the outside. We weren't doing anything.
Yeah, I know. I was saying.
Wait, like on this side, you just want to move him over? I know mine's right there in the fucking
Oh my gosh. Just stay calm, brother. Just stay calm. It's okay, man. Ambulance is gonna be here real quick. You're alright. You're gonna be okay. Just stay calm. Don't try to move anything. Don't try to tense up anything.
What?
Just keep.
Yeah, you can hear me.
Just leave your helmet on.
Oh no. You don't know what you hit? Don't move.
It's okay.
Just stay where you're at, man.
Gonna be alright, brother.
What's hurting?
Just be careful, man.
I can't get your right leg.
It's okay. Don't move. Just wait for the ambulance to get here. Let them take care of you, man. Everything's gonna be alright. Don't worry about the bike or anything. Everything's taken care of. Just worry about yourself right now. Damn it. Don't try to move. Don't try to stand up. Nothing. Don't do it. You could hurt yourself even worse. You could have internal damage, everything.
If your leg's tingling like you said it is, you don't trust me.
You want them to check you out, man.
Hey, keep him talking. Just be still and don't try to move around too much, okay?
Yeah. Don't stress out too much. Just you're okay.
Yeah, it's in the fucking. Hey, let's sit it up here.
Yeah, turn the ignition off.
He is.
Well, hey.
Damn it.
Hey, somebody keep talking to him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't move.
You alright, bro?
Man, they're on their way.
They're on the way, man. They'll be here in no time. Oh, shit. You okay, brother?
Don't move. They're all good. Hey. Just relax. It's all good, man.
When they get here, they're gonna need his ID and stuff.
Make sure you guys.
Damn it.
Hey,
No.
Don't move.
Just stay calm, buddy.
Do not move at all.
Don't move.
You'll be okay, man. It's all good. They're coming.
Don't move, brother. Damn it. Ah, damn, man. This is not good. Ah, fuck.
Get that on camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not good.
Alright, man. I'm gonna cut this right here.